I might have put a bit too much concealer, but like that's so white. No, I gotta restart this. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Guys, we have some makeup. So most of the makeup that I copped is $1. Can you guys believe it? $1, most of it. Of course, I do have some stuff that are like $2, and I think I got a palette that's a little bit more expensive because I wanted to do a full face of this makeup. I spent about $45 and I got a lot of stuff. So if you're dying to see me review this cheap makeup, pray for my face. Please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. All right, let's get to the video. So first of all, shout out to Stable in Minds Giant C for telling me about these products. Miss A is a company that is eco-friendly and has gentle products for $1. Most of the products on this website is for $1, and we had to get everything to make sure that we get our face right. So we did go ahead and cop us a primer. I didn't know which primer to pick because they do have a wide variety of primers. So I just decided, you know what, let me just get the clear one. Let's stick to what we know. So I got the clear primer. Next up is foundation. Again, they have a wide variety of foundations. I didn't know which one to pick, so I picked the one that looked good, the one that gives you that Dior foundation vibe. So I went with the frosted bottle glass type, and honestly, they have different shades. They have the tan shades, the dark shades, so I didn't know which one, so I did go ahead and cop 2 of them. So I'm sure you guys seeing a trend right now. There are a lot of options as it pertains to anything that you might want for your face. So I didn't know what to choose as relates to concealer. So I just, shot in the dark, got one that was a little bit too light for me because, guys, when you look at her hand, you could see that it would have matched me, but it really did not. To round out the look, we got setting powder, bronzer, an eyebrow pomade, an eyeshadow palette, eyeliner, mascara, setting spray, blush, lip gloss, some lashes, and for tools I got some sponges and some brushes. I did add highlighter to my cart, however that did not come, so I don't know where it went. Alright y'all, so this is the package. It has a lot of things in here, yes, but they seem pretty light. Oh, this looks amazing. I love how they packaged it. We're gonna start off with the tools. I did go ahead and cop me some brushes because I'm in dire need of brushes. So I think I just got a set and it actually comes with everything. I'm gonna try my best to use as much of these brushes as possible. I'm not gonna go through each one. I'm just gonna try and use them as I go along. I also went ahead and copped some beauty blenders. I did get the microfiber ones. I did go get the microfiber one. This one was more expensive and I think these came together. I got the regular one and so far they seem very soft. So for this I think I'm just gonna try the microfiber one because I really love the microfiber. So I'm just gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine, nothing too strenuous because we want to get through this, okay? We want to really get through it and like really review these products. So first up is the Wonder Skin Primer, the skin perfecting primer that blurs imperfections and boosts the radiance of foundation. A lot of words here. Not smelling a scent. Ooh, y'all, I need to show you guys this. It has some sparkling things in there, some gold bits, let's put it like that. Okay, I'm game. Feels really good. Doesn't feel sticky at all. Feels like water. I'm afraid the foundation is not gonna stick to this, but is it blurring me out? Or I forgot to say, like, if you guys are curious of this here, it's actually from the Janet collection. I did do a review on this bad boy, and I'll link that down in the description box down below. All right, y'all, so next up is foundation. I copped 2 shades because I wasn't sure which one was gonna match. But the reason why I picked these, it's giving me like Dior vibes, you know? It looks cute and frosty. But you guys see how small these are? No wonder these are $1. No wonder. So these are the Buildable Satin foundations and they do suggest shaking well. So this is the first one, 311 Cappuccino. Seems very oily, seems like it's separating a bit, and it has a dropper. It's Cappuccino right here. It's already looking a little bit closer to my face than my hand and body. So that's not too bad. I'm gonna try the second one. This is what the second one is looking like. Do not know what shade this is, but I'll find out. They don't have it at the bottom of the barrel. This is light as hell. Can you guys believe it? These, like, that's why I bought two, because I felt like I'm gonna have to mix it. Let's see what our neck is looking like. Pretty light. So we're gonna mix the two. This is what the sponge is currently looking like. Very small, and it's still soft right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and wet it to show you guys what it looks like wet. And this is the sponge after, y'all. It got like 2 times bigger, I think. You guys can let me know in the comments down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lighter one, the lighter shade, in the middle of my face right here. I don't even know what coverage this is, but we shall see. Yo, I'm sorry, this smells like plantains. First off the bat, I'm not liking the drops. The drops are not taking enough product for me. Yeah, it's not taking a lot of product. But let's go ahead and blend this bad boy out. I think I'm most excited about that. So I don't know where to start from. Do you start from outside and then work your way in? I love the blendability of this. It's crazy. What? Oh. Okay, and it seems medium coverage right now. Ooh, I'm pleasantly surprised, y'all. Like, what? Feels good, and I'm loving this sponge. So I went ahead and added a second coat because I wanted to see how buildable this was. However, I do not think it is buildable to a high coverage. It feels more light to medium. If it is that you wanted to do a your skin but better type vibes, I feel like this will be great. It doesn't feel heavy. It actually feels as if I put on moisturizer, which is weird. It doesn't even feel oily, at least not for me. It feels good. So I did go ahead and cop a nude concealer. I didn't know which one to choose from, so I just got one because honestly, I can always tone down my concealer with like powder or some more foundation. This is the liquid concealer in the shade Nude. This is what the tip is looking like. Pretty interesting, y'all. Like, how do you put it on like that? You just put it on? I love me a light concealer, but this looks really light. This is looking hella light. I'm shocked at this point, but I must say the coverage is crazy. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and take 2 on that one because yeah, the concealer was a bit too light. I did go ahead and redo my foundation and all that, so maybe it looks a little bit different. This time I'm gonna use just a little bit. And when I was taking off this concealer earlier, it was almost as if it didn't want to leave my face. So I'm gonna say the concealer is good. All right, also next up is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. It looks a little pinky. Not sure what I can do with this pinky one. Boy, this white. Ooh, this is white. Completely forgot, but I did get a banana color one, which is the yellow one right here, and this is the pink one. I did use the pink one. I would have preferred the banana one, so I think I'm just gonna add it on top. So next up is bronzer. I'm not sure if I'm liking the shade. I prefer my bronzers to be a little bit darker, but this ain't too bad. So I'm gonna be using the F20 brush because it's big enough to kind of contour right here. Although I don't need a lot, we're still gonna do it. Afraid. Ooh. Okay, so can you guys tell the difference? I can't. You guys can let me know, but this is the side that's bronze, and when I bronze, I contour. I'm gonna do that, like, I don't do the creams, okay? But this is that side, and this is the other side. Yeah, a subtle difference. So next up is brows. I have here the Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade. This is giving me Anastasia Beverly Hills vibes. Ooh, I'm loving the color. So just to show you guys what that is looking like, it's not too stiff and it's not too soft. So I feel like this will be really good on my eyebrows. Ooh, this is lovely. Ooh, I'm loving this. Benefits wear. Yo, I think I'm sold. Brows are done. Not too bad, to be honest. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this bad boy right here. It's from Amuse Cosmetics. It is still from the same site, so I think what they're doing is like getting cheaper makeup brands and then putting it on their site, as well as whatever it is that they make. This is what that palette is looking like. The brushes that they have are too hard. They seem like they're for more liquidy type products, and I need something really soft. So I'm gonna be using this brush from Ipsy. I think it's, yeah, it's the Luna Magic. I don't know which one this one is, but the blue one. The brown is super pigmented, at least pigmented enough for me. Looks like it can blend very well. Ooh, I like that color. I like that. Do you guys like that? That looks fire. That is pretty. So for liquid eyeliner, I'm going to be using the LA Colors water resistant liquid eyeliner. I feel like that is huge. I don't know what position I'm gonna get with that, but we shall see. Yeah, this isn't gonna give me the precision that I want, but I'm gonna use my other liner to create that wing. It's a little bit more skinnier and I'll be able to create the wing that I need. So for the wings, at least I'm gonna be using the NYX eyeliner. This is pretty affordable, but it doesn't come from Miss A. But I need a wing, I can't function without a wing. Wings are on. What's next? So I'm on to mascara now. We have here the She Makeup Abracadabra Long Lash Mascara. Can you guys tell the difference? Because I sure can't. Still looks the same. Alright, y'all, so next up is blush. I have here the True Fusion blush in the shade Peach. It looks a little purple pink here, but it's a lot pinker. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it's a lot pinker. All right, for blush, I'm going to be using the F13 Miss A brush. They are pretty nice and fluffy, at least the bigger ones. The other ones are a bit stiff. Really pink, y'all. Like, what? Let me just tap off a little bit. It's almost like it disappears. So we're not gonna tap off any. Let's see what that looks like. Do you see it like dispersing up at the top? I'm not sure if I'm liking the color. The color isn't bad, it's not bad. And of course we're gonna tone it down once we put our setting spray on, but it ain't bad, but it's really dusty. Like, it's dusty as hell. So as you guys can see, I do have some powder still underneath my eyes and on my chin because that is a setting powder. Normally when I'm trying to take off the setting powder, I use a micro smooth powder by Sephora, and Miss A didn't have any kind of powder like that for me to dust off all of that. So this is the second thing that I'm gonna use that I did not get from the company, because this is how I normally do my makeup, so don't kill me. So I'm gonna ask one of my friends so far and see what she says. Yeah, she's been on the phone for a minute. All right, so I am filming you. I want you to give your first impression of it before I get done.
You're not on camera, right? Because we can't do it.
No, you're not on camera.
It looks nice.
Right? The blush,
I feel
the bronzer.
one of your best.
Say that again. Say it for the camera.
I think it's one of your best makeup tutorials ever.
I was calling you to ask you about first impressions of this makeup.
It looks nice.
Does
Based on
it?
the camera.
Do you see the shade, people? I'm recording, right? So I'm getting your opinion.
That's nice. It's nice though. It doesn't look bad.
Okay, cool. All right, so first impressions from you.
Your makeup is looking nice.
Really? That's exactly what I called you for. I wanted you to just tell me your first impression of this makeup before I put on any lash, anything like that.
I'm loving the under eye glow. I'm loving how contoured and snatched the face is on the yes.
Can you guess what makeup brand I have on? So it's full face, that makeup brand.
Can I get a clue?
No. If I give you a clue, you're gonna know.
How many guesses do I get?
3.
Juvia's Place?
Hell nah. No. No. So I'll give you a clue now. So it's more on the drugstore side. In general, like
drugstore.
affordable side. Let's put it like that.
Maybelline?
Nope. One more guess. Really, when I say drugstore, more so affordable.
AOA.
Yes! You guys can be the judge too. Mention that in the comments down below. Let me hear what you guys think about this base so far. I did go ahead and cop me some high definition non-drying matte finish setting spray, and it comes in this nice box. Isn't this cute? Let me see what that spray power is like. Ooh, not bad. I like it. So we're gonna go ahead and set our face. Then we're gonna do lashes, then lips. Okay, then lips. We have here 2 lashes. I went ahead and copped 2 of them because I wasn't sure how they were gonna look, probably feel, and I wanted them to be mink. So they are both 3D faux mink premium natural lashes. One in the style Amanda and the other one in the style Terry. So we will go with Terry. Lashes are on. I'm gonna put on some lip liner right now. I'm gonna be using the MAC Chestnut. I didn't get any of that. They're all sold out. So I'm gonna be using this lip gloss in the shade or name City Girl. definitely cracking up. I thought it was gonna be like one of those squirt things, but I'm not a fan, so I'm gonna go get some more lip gloss. So I'm gonna be adding onto this the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Samantha, or Called Samantha. Now we're talking, yes. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Bitch. This came out so freaking good. I love how matte it is, but not too matte. Okay, so final thoughts on all of the products. I'm just gonna try my best to go through it really quickly. I do not want this video to be too long. As relates to the primer, I actually love the primer. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I loved when I put it on and then put the foundation on it right away, where it didn't get a lot of time to dry. Everything was sticking exactly how I wanted it. As it relates to the foundation, I didn't like the droppers that they have. Barely any product was really going into the droppers to go on my face. Like, it took me a while to get some product out. However, it is amazing. I love the foundations. I didn't get my shade because I wasn't too sure which one was my shade, but mixing these two bad boys together, oh my goodness, y'all, do you see this base? Like, it looks amazing. Eyebrow pomade, oh Jesus, love it. I'm gonna be using that more often. I loved how it glided onto my eyebrows. I love the color. It's not too dark. It just looks so freaking good. As it pertains to the concealer, I did get the shade a bit too light. I needed something a little bit darker. However, the coverage of that concealer for $1 something, bish. Even when I started over and tried to wipe off the concealer, it refused to leave my face, y'all. So as it relates to the setting powder, I'm not too sure about it. The peachy pinky one, I'm not too sure about that one. I didn't really like that one, but the banana, when I added it onto it, it just brought everything together. I could have done without the mascara. It didn't really do much to my face. I could have done without the liquid eyeliner tip. It wasn't skinny enough for me to create a wing. The lip gloss, was not a fan at all. Lip gloss gotta go. Like, it was too pinky and less glossy. Like, it felt more like a lipstick than a lip gloss. As it pertains to the blush, love me the blush. As it pertains to the eyelashes, they're alright, I guess. They kind of pulled the look together. Could have been a little bit more mink. Oh, the sponge. The sponge. Best sponge I've ever felt in my entire life. I felt like the product was moving very well with this. I'm actually gonna go and cop a lot more. As it relates to the brushes, I think the bigger ones are a lot easier to deal with because the bristles are a little bit more swayy, a little bit more fluffier. All the other ones I think are good for more creamy, foundation-y, liquidy type products. The eyeshadow was not bad at all. If it is that you want something nice and simple, and you're not like a makeup guru like that, but you want something nice and simple, sultry, you know, every day, I would definitely cop this bad boy. And you guys can let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? Do you guys think I did a good job? Do you guys think these products are worth it? All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming this. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All right, I'll see you guys in the next part. Enjoy the bloopers. Guys, most of the I can't speak. Guys, most of the makeup here is $1, okay? But y'all, I'm shook and excited. So y'all, I can't win here. All right, y'all, so I'm ready. So let's just get into the, sorry. Oh, God. Too much noise, y'all. Just walking so heavily. I might have put a bit too much concealer, but like, that's so white. No, I gotta restart this. There's nothing I can do to reclaim this. All right, I gotta start over.